Kid needs a chill.
Let's remake GG, 3 G2 players.
Nicholas.
Oh my god.
On my wall.
Scanning ahead.
He has zinked. Coming after.
Up elbow, up elbow.
Down.
Gen.
I'm
There,
flanking.
Neon is zinked.
Can you make noise?
I'll try to go for it.
Last player standing.
Flanking me. 90 on Neon.
Planted.
That guy flanked me, Raptor? I feel like I insta push screen.
them
What
come
is
up.
that? That is not Raptor or backside. It's okay though.
This is not Raptor.
They didn't dart. It's probably B.
This is not Raptor? I was saying it already?
No, I'm not talking about you. Planning already?
Maybe.
They cleared nothing?
Spike
Kitchen.
planted.
He jumped out,
Up snow. Yeah.
He's one more side.
Last player standing. Flawless.
Because C9 spray. That's weird. That's weird.
Revealing area.
Joining B. Neon Silva B.
I'm gonna flank. They have no
ISO
sentinel.
B. They're rushing B.
Pyramid.
Underside.
Daddy's flanking weird.
Could be danger, could be danger.
Danger's clear.
Wait, backside, backside.
Swear I heard one.
Nice.
Wait.
Oh my god. I'm waiting for you. I'm 1 HP.
One enemy remaining.
One.
Yellow.
He's yellow.
Spike down B.
Danger now.
Last player standing.
I went back to yellow. Wait, that guy was topside?
So you get used to it because you're like there for like a month, right? But it's still pretty crazy. No, up next turn.
Gotta go.
Coming B again.
I'm out of here.
Jet's 1 HP. Or Neon's 1 HP, I mean.
Jan's like backside.
Jan's 1 HP fighting me. Like, yep.
Last player standing. Spike planted.
Yeah, you can hide from John. Break it.
Scanning ahead.
Third A.
I don't see that.
Smoke's A.
It's like fast. Double flanking?
They're out there.
Just go.
It's you and me.
I got ulted.
My wall's going down. All down. We're
Never
double
left.
flanking.
My own. Yikes.
Tap bomb. Silva default.
130 Silva default.
One enemy remaining.
Miss.
Up on 130.
Yes.
Nice. Yep.
Found you.
Fast feed. Fast feed.
Top mid.
Hey, that was
Smoke
fucked mid though.
Neon's out.
It's a mid liquor.
One enemy remaining.
Someone's there.
Spike
Top grade, top
down
grade, top
B.
grade, top grade.
Cutting
I think he might have
Drop. Good jump up again.
So he dropped. Nice fucking round, baby.
Nice. Let's go.
Wait. Oh yeah. I saw it.
ISO
Where's that?
I'll play that.
Neon's in. Top one. Maze.
I'm baiting you. Nice.
That's fine.
You have my back?
I'm flanking.
Nothing.
Gotta wake
10%.
us.
We have double flame.
2 maze. Nice
One
one.
enemy remaining.
I think he's there
Spike
too.
down A.
Wow.
Down team.
There you are.
I just one knife right clicked him.
Let's go. I'm out of here.
I still belong.
You and me.
You got me in tube, in tube, in tube, in tube. In tube, right now.
Okay, they're up B.
See ya.
Nice, they're up B, they're up B. They can be snow.
ISO has a guardian and half shield, bro.
One mid.
Yeah, I'm mid.
Oh shit.
3. One enemy remaining.
Nice.
My
It was mid, it was mid. Yeah.
Both mid, both mid. He's running at me.
They're running.
Both.
One enemy remaining.
It's gonna die. Yes.
Hey, round.
Shit.
Yeah, you're solo. Actually, we
Yeah,
can play
the
B if I can.
the receipt.
Yeah. Retake. I don't hear anything right now.
More low right.
Stealing sight.
Take flight.
Call wall.
Jump up.
Oh, I built.
Clover.
Cutting the
I haven't seen Neon or Clove yet, right?
Scanning ahead.
He could very easily be walked in or spawn right
Yeah.
now. Snow.
I'm gonna go check snow. Mid's open.
Yeah, one
Pick up
B.
mid, so
One B. One running B.
maybe someone took space.
Timer.
I'm gonna go.
Yep, he's
Yeah, I
hit
can ult
100.
plant.
He's hit 100,
plant.
but he healed.
Right here. I am the hunter.
He's expecting. Oh my god. One more.
Oh, he's
Help me.
and then I'll be
Under.
last player standing.
120, 120.
One enemy remaining. 3.
You got it.
Nice. Nice.
Actually, the worst.
Zombies. Actual squad zombies. What is
Look
happening?
at that play.
There's ants.
Don't make noise.
There's been ants every night.
There's never been this many.
Watch out. Getting our.
Grabbing orb.
Okay.
Run it.
RIP fishbowl.
ISO's on B. ISO's on B. I think he's mid actually.
He's mid.
Yeah, we can play out. They have no
Think,
snow.
upper.
Actually, they have
He's
Nice
dink.
on the left. Not fair.
Two after.
Ding, ding. ISO's ding.
Screen backside.
One enemy remaining.
This guy's ding.
Oh.
Damn. All right.
wow. I'll tab at 1D to mid.
I want this to last forever, but I just can't play.
Scanning ahead.
Close.
He's close.
He's maze, maze.
I'm flanking.
Headshot.
Chill, boys. Chill.
I missed it. 3.
Hey, help! 2 more. We gotta pinch some out of you too, or no?
No, I got nothing.
We're double one way.
Backside.
Neutralized.
Our spike carrier is killed.
Reloading.
Spike down
Jump.
A.
Shit.
One enemy remaining. Got him. Last
Screen.
player standing.
Oh, I didn't hit him.
Yes, this is the play.
It's flanking.
It's EG com.
Vandal down Jen.
It's calming all over my face.
Just hold lower, bro. You'll kill him. Don't even plant.
I got the spike. 30 seconds left.
Vandal down right behind you.
Spike planted.
Alright, bro.
Oh!
Fuck, get away. Damn.
I like that. I like that.
Yes. Throw up for OT, I might have to. Fuck.
Deploying drone.
Nothing top yellow. Close.
Alright, bro, that guy's just weird.
Go.
I'm gonna watch.
Shock it. Oops.
One on me, Snow.
One going mid. One's orange.
One
Under
enemy
tube.
remaining.
Under tube. He's mid.
I got him, bro. I got him. Let me get him, bro. Let me make you guys.
Left side.
Boy, there. He's like rare pellets.
Nice.
Right trap.
So good at this game, it's not even funny.
No, there's so many ants.
Crazy.
I'm out of here.
Solo. Sitting there with a bucket.
Revealing area. Deploying drone.
Nothing right. Taking timing at Naze.
Oh my
3,
god.
3, 3 on the right.
I says 1 HP.
There's
back
four,
up.
there's
Oh,
four.
I saw
Go
that.
B, go B, go B.
Yeah, there's like 4 there. There's like 4 here.
Go B, go B. Could be push B.
Nice.
There.
There it's.
You're on it too, but
Wow. you-
Pushing it. Come back. Come back. Come back.
how big?
See ya.
Could cut you off,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Wait, honestly, we should go like B. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Especially if they see you. Into fuck. No, I'm trolling. Nice, nice. Full ball. I guess you run would be.
Run.
Two mid, two mid.
Wait, just leave, don't, yeah.
100 on the ISO. No shield.
Both mid,
Both
both.
mid.
Charge it. Coming through. Go, go, go.
They're gonna beat you here.
Yeah, Silva can beat you.
I have the win condition here, don't worry, guys.
Screen early.
In sight.
You heard him.
30 seconds left. One enemy remaining.
Sorry, upper.
Maybe flanking. Maybe flanking.
Yeah, yes,
Last
it's
player
It's
standing.
flank. Yeah, it's under.
Oh, shit.
Wow.
Surely he uses
Yeah.
fingers there.
I'm gonna.
I'm out of here.
There's two mid on me.
You're on.
I'm out of here. Enemy kill.
ISO's mid.
Raptors in green box. Raptors in green box. Jenny.
It's you and me.
Oh, he's pit.
One enemy remaining.
And you win it, baby? Oh,
Flawless.
I just one-tapped that knee on full stock.
The first game I played on it, I went 6 and 20.
Yeah, we're
And
gonna
after that
all
it was
have
good.
Take flight.
Blocking sight.
Nice, nice.
Raptors. Silva was Raptors. Be backside.
No charges left. Oh, go, go. One enemy
Mid.
remaining.
Outlet.
Come on, pull it.
Nice, GG.
Good job. GG.
Attackers win.
Alright, that was a good one game.
Just the goats on my team.
That was
Yes.
2,
Real.
3.
Oh, why with Vanna when you have ult? No, I know. That was. He just should have used his ult there. Alright, GG's.